Tech Wars, Marketing Monetization Opportunities with AI. Here are some business ideas for products and services using AI for marketing. AI-powered personalized marketing platforms that analyze customer data and preferences to deliver targeted and relevant advertisements. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants that provide instant customer support and engage with users on websites and social media platforms. AI-based content generation tools that automatically create engaging and optimized content for websites, blogs, and social media. AI-powered social media analytics platforms that monitor and analyze social media trends, sentiments, and engagement metrics for targeted marketing strategies. AI-driven customer segmentation tools that analyze data to identify distinct customer segments and tailor marketing campaigns accordingly. AI-enabled predictive lead scoring systems that analyze data to identify high-quality leads and prioritize sales efforts. AI-powered recommendation engines that provide personalized product recommendations to customers based on their preferences and browsing behavior. AI-driven email marketing platforms that optimize email campaigns by analyzing customer behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns. AI-based marketing automation platforms that streamline and optimize marketing workflows, including campaign scheduling, A/B testing, and performance tracking. AI-driven market research and competitive analysis tools that gather, analyze, and provide insights on market trends, competitor strategies, and consumer behavior. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. You can take the full AI course at techwars.ai.